Hello, my name is Hemant Mundra. In the immediately preceding podcast, we spoke about prerequisite of a successful M&A transaction, merger and acquisition transaction. And if I transpose it the other way, then I would like to talk today about common hurdles which affects the merger and acquisition process. There are many factors, but according to me, there are eight which are the common hurdles in a whole M&A process. First and foremost is unreasonable price expectation, mostly on the seller side. That's the unreasonable part. That may be a common hurdle. And seller side believes that advisors to the process has to be on the buyer side to save on the cost, but lack of advisors on the sell side is another hurdle. Key management continuity is another way of merger and acquisition process which comes as to a knot. So the key management, that's why the human resource is the name of the management. The continuity in the acquired company is another hurdle. Third party consents, many authorities, many companies, many entities, consents are required, which takes a longer time. The legal structure and regulatory process, always known but still is a common hurdle. And the entire project of merger and acquisition transaction can be poorly managed, which may cause to come to a knot again. And you have to evaluate, deal with many prospects to who are interested in acquiring your company or you are interested in selling your company. So deal fatigue may set in. And last but not the least is the poor MIS of the company or inadequate preparation before even one begin the M&A process. We at Total CFO look into it that MIS system is in place, MIS reports are in place, adequate preparation has been taken care of, and then only one begins the process of merger and acquisition. Then and that will ensure the continuity and successful of the process without hampering the ongoing operation of the company. So MIS robustness and thorough preparation before you begin the M&A process is a prerequisite or the common hurdles faced by many of the companies who go into this part. Thank you.